My dear students, welcome back to Sanskrit Amrit. Here we have lecture number 15. In last lecture, actually, we got an introduction regarding Shabdaroopani, paper number 1, topic number 8. Now, students, we understood what is Shabdaroopani in last lecture. Shabdaroopani is noun forms. We understood different genders we have in English language. Similarly, we have different genders in Sanskrit language. Pullingaha, Strilingaha, Napumsaklingaha. Pullingaha masculine, Strilingaha feminine, and Napumsaklingaha neuter words. And we understood about one table of Rama. Now Rama word is actually ending with a sound, right? And which is masculine. And then certain exercise I have given you to do. So in this lecture, first we will solve that exercise and you people can cross check your answers with that, and then we'll understand another noun forms ending with E sound, ending with U sound, and ending with even consonant sound in different genders as per the syllabus given in the NCISM circular. Alright, so let us check the homework first. Here I am sharing the screen, dear students. I hope the screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now, here we have these words. You are supposed to do the different noun forms actually. So, yajataha dual will be yajato, and plural will be ramaha. So, yajataha. Now, what should be the meaning of this? Subject. So, you can simply write as yajata. Okay, yajata. Or it is a proper noun, so you can write like yajat also. But in Sanskrit, we must have a at the end. Normally in English, we type, we don't write a. And then janam. Actually, janam means human or man, man. So here dual will be Janau and plural is Janan, just like Rama table. So meaning is object to man, man. Next we have Vedena as third word. So third case singular is Vedena like Ramayana. Dual will be Vedabhyam like Ramabhyam, and plural is Vedaihi. Next and the meaning of this will be by Veda. By Veda. Then Sravanaya. So Sravanaya is fourth case. The meaning of the fourth case is for, right? And Sravana is a name of a boy. So you can say as for Sravana, right? And another meaning of Sravana is listening. So you can translate Sravanaya as like for listening also. Here I have taken Sravana as just a proper noun of a boy, right? So for Sravana as a boy name. And Sravana as listening, you can translate as Sravanaya for listening. Dual would be Sravanabhyam. Remember these all words ending with a sound and s same as Rama table. And plural is Sravanebhyaha. Fifth Kapilat. So fifth case representing from meaning. So from Kapila. Next Kapilabhyam dual. And plural will be Kapilebhyaha. Next, Sashti, sixth case representing of meaning. So here Vrukshasya. Now Vruksha means tree. So translation would be of tree. Then dual Vrukshayoho means of two trees, and Rukshanam of many trees. Then we have Mahese. So seventh case representing in, on, into, at. So we are taking only one preposition in. Mahese. So in Mahesha as a proper noun, right? Then we have dual Maheshayoho and plural as Mahesheshu. Last is representing address, to call someone. So O Shiva. You are calling Lord Shiva. You can say O Shiva. And then dual He Shiva and dual will be He Shivo. And plural as He Shivaha. Just like Rama table. Students, follow this as Rama table. So like this you can cross check your homework, these students. Now we are having another table here in homework. So here I will actually send you the file where all the answers are written. The first table I wrote in front of you people, so you can cross check on the spot while you have this and to understand also together. But here I will type the answers and will send you after the class. Alright. Now this one we have already understood, the pronunciation of Visarga. Now the students, here we understood one table with all the meanings of the cases. First case, subject, object, by, for, from. So you people understood actually the meaning of each case. The purpose of these noun forms, right? The cases, the purpose of the case you understood. Now let us understand about the different vowel ending words and different consonant ending word in all three genders, masculine, feminine, neuter. Now first of all you people should know that what is there in the syllabus as per this 2021-22 syllabus given by the NCISM. Here let me open it. Now dear students, here you can check this course curriculum for the first professional BMS prescribed by NCISM. In this paper number 1 I will show you. Here we have paper number 1, clearly it is there. Paper number 1, topic number 1, 2, all this we have done. 4 we have done. 5 we understood. See, before we continue, let me just throw some lights in this question number, topic number 5. See, Karaka Prakaranam. Karaka I already explained in last lecture. Kartru Karaka, Karma Karakam, then Karana Karakam, Sampradana. All these are cases, no? I explained you, right? Apadana Karakam, Adhikaran. Apadana is 5th, Adhikaran is the 7th case. And these 6 Karakas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And this Sambandha is not Karaka. Alright, that's why it is written at the end. This is the 6th case. Case means the partition, students, Vibhakti. And here it is Upapada Vibhakti. This is something new for you people, Upapada Vibhakti. Upapada Vibhakti means multiple usages of these cases. Students, listen to me carefully. You people understood. First case is used for subject, right? Second is used for object. Third is used for by. But actually there are multiple usages of these cases. They are subject, object, by, for, from, all they are the primary usages of all the cases, right? The most important and the most oftenly used meaning is subject, object, by, for, from, of. But more than these usages, there are many other usages also. Let me just give you an example. You people must be aware about Namaha word, because you must have heard about some mantras where you heard like Suryaya Namaha, Mitraya Namaha. So Namaha is an indeclinable. That means salutation. and with namaha, whichever word you use, that word must be in the fourth case. Now actually fourth case use is for, no. Here we will not take the meaning for, like for example, Suryaya Namaha. Suryaya is just like the fourth case like Ramaya. So here we will not take like for Surya, for sun. No. Surya means sun. So for sun not. Here you should take fourth case just because of the rule Namaha. With Namaha you have to use fourth case. That's the rule. So that is the extra use of the fourth case. Similarly, you have extra use of third case, second case, fifth case, sixth case, no, seventh case. That are called Upapada Vibhakti. Upapada Vibhakti means the extra use, the special use of the cases. That we'll study later. Right now you concentrate about the noun forms. And here, first you must be aware about the noun form. This was just about the discriminant. See here it is A. A part is in term 1. So, discriminate the vibhakti and their meaning. So, you must be aware about the meaning of vibhakti. That's all. Alright. First, you must be aware about that. And then, let's go to the topic number 8 here. Here you read Shabdaroopani. So, this we actually started in last class. This Shabdaroopani we started in last class, and Akaranta, this word we understood. Rama, I have given you the homework, you have done it, you can check. Now Vata, Vedya, Rugna, all these words are similar to Rama, so we are not going to talk about them because you can prepare the table of this just like Rama. So please learn one table, Akarant or ending Rama, and you will be able to learn all this by automatically by learning this. Alright. So now we are having Ikaranta, means E ending, E vowel ending word, Agni and Muni. So dear students, here I am going to show you the forms of E ending Muni table. Forms are almost similar like Rama table, except few forms. So that different forms given in the Muni table you have to check and you have to actually remember, because it will be expected from you people that whenever any vowel ending form is there in the shloka, you must be aware that this form is from E ending Muni table or U ending table, or which sixth case is there, fifth case is there, seventh case is there. So more you have knowledge about the table of different vowel ending word, more you will explain there in the exam. Maybe they would ask you to write the full table. Maybe they would ask a certain word, underlined word, and will ask you, tell us about what is the case and what is the vachan, number of this word. Right? So that's why it is expected from you to learn all this table, E ending table as Rama table we studied. Similarly, E ending table, U ending table, Bhanu. So here we will just go through these forms. Alright, let us see. So my dear students, here first of all, here on the screen you can see we have Muni table, Muni ending with E. Similarly, like Rama table, we are having 8 different Vibhakti, Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Sashti, Saptami, and the 8th one is Sambodhan, 7 Vibhakti and Sambodhan, right? And Ekavachana, singular, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana. So these are the forms that you have to speak and learn, right? Munihi, Muni, Munayaha, Munim, Muni, Munin, Munina, Munibhyam, Munibihi. Like these, all these forms you have to prepare, right? This is E ending Muni table. Meaning will be same, dear students. Remember, meaning of this all cases, vibhaktis are same like Rama table. First case, Munihi as subject. Muni means sage, right? Then Munim means to Muni, means object. Munina means by sage. Then Munaye for sage. Munehe fifth from sage. Sashti vibhakti is sixth case of. So it will be like of sage. Munno is 7 singular. So it will be in sage, and He Muni is for calling someone, calling Muni. So it will be like O sage. Got it? So like this, these students, meaning will be same. You have to prepare the forms of different vowel ending word. Next we have Ukaranta, means U ending table sadhu. So sadhu who is, same, the meaning is same, like saint, sage, monk. So sadhu who, sadhu, sadhavah, sadhum, sadhu, sadhun, sadhuna, sadhubhyam, sadhubhi. So this table you have to prepare, and you must be aware about each form. See, some forms are almost similar like Rama table. Ramabhyam, Ramabhyam, Ramabhyam you will find here. Sadhubhyam, 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 Sadhubhya, Sadhubhya. 6 case plural in Rama table is Ramanam. Here it is Sadhunam. Then in Rama table Rameshu. Here it is Sadhushu. Alright. So please prepare these forms as much as you can, student. It will be helpful for you. Now here in the syllabus, if you see Ikarant, then Ukarant, we saw the Sadhu table. You can study any of this similar to Sadhu, Panu, Guru, Rutu, right? You can compare and prepare the forms and learn. Then here we have Rukaranta, Ru ending, Ru vowel ending, Nru, Dhatru, Pitru. Let us study this Pitru here. So the student here you can read Pitru table. Rukaranta, Ru vowel ending word. So Pita, Pitaro, Pitara, first case subject, object, by, with or for, all meaning is also written there together. So Pita, Pitaro, Pitaraha, Pitaram, Pitaro, Pitrun. Look at this one is long Ru, right? Long Ru. Pitrun, Pitra, Pitrubhyam, Pitruvi, Pitre, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha, Pituhu, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha, Pituhu, Pitroho, Pitrunam, Pitari, Pitroho, Pitrushu, He Pitaha, He Pitaro, He Pitaraha. So you can prepare this table ending with Ru. Then if you can see here in the syllabus again, what is the next word ending with Okaranta. Student, here word is ending with O sound, right? Go. So there is a, here the actual root word is go. So we have the forms of go, right? Go means cow. Okay. So let me show you the forms of cow, of go word. My dear students, here you read, these are the forms of go, right? Go, hu, ga, vo, gavaha, gam, gavo, gaha. Like this, I will actually send you the table in the group, so you people can prepare these forms, alright? And we will study now, we will check about the next vowel ending word, okay? So let us understand about the next word ending with consonant, students. Alright, here in the syllabus you can check after Okarant we have Nakaranta. Now students, Akarant means O ending, Ikarant means E ending, Nakarant means consonant no ending. Here you read Slesman is given, Slesman, Rogin, Gnanin. These words are actually ending with no consonant. However, they are masculine only, right? See, if you see here in the beginning of the list, here what is written 8.1 Pullinga Shabdaroopani. Pullinga means masculine. So all they are masculine word ending with different vowels and consonants. So vowel ending I already have shown you. Now let us check about the consonant ending word. Slesman, Rogin, Gnanin. So my dear students, out of these three, and only one if you will prepare, the other will be learnt automatically. So here we have this actually the table of consonant ending word. Here you can clearly read a word is there, Schlesman. Alright. Schlesman, phlegm, mucus, cough, we know this. Nakaranta pullinga sabda. Nakaranta, no ending, pullinga, masculine word. Schlesma, Schlesmano, Schlesmanaha, Schlesmanam, Schlesmano, Schlesmanaha. You must be wondering why these 5 words are in red color. The reason behind, you check. These 5 words, last ma has a sound. See, here a, ma. Here also a, here also ma. A. But from this, second case plural, ma, o is there. See, alright. So you can keep checking. Schlesma, Schlesmano, Schlesmanaha, Schlesmanam, Schlesmano, Schlesmanaha, Schlesmana, Schlesmabyam, Schlesmabihi, Schlesmane, Schlesmabyam. Mo is there everywhere. Alright. Now, dear students, here this word is actually ending with na consonant, right? And it is a consonant ending word. I am having a particular kind of advice to learn this consonant ending word, and if you will follow this rule, you will be able to learn any consonant ending table by following this trick. I am giving you a trick. Now what trick it is? Pay attention. Suppose we have a word ending with consonant. So what you need to do, check this word ending with a, right? This would be different. First case singular, this word can be different in different consonant ending, but next second case singular will always be ending with one sound, and that is always remember, must be there always, any consonant ending, right? What should be the third word, third case singular word, always ending with a sound, always, any consonant ending word you take. Fourth case singular will always be ending with a sound. See here, Schlesmane, a is there. Root word is Schlesman and then a is added, Schlesmane, right? Fourth and then fifth ending always with aha. Sixth singular will always be ending with aha, same. And seventh singular will always be ending with e sound. So this word you need to remember. Second, a, aha, e. I repeat, a, aha, e. Again, a, aha, e. So if you remember this, no, a, aha, e. This is applicable to all consonant ending word in Sanskrit language. You take whether no ending, ko ending, po ending, cho ending, any word, the forms will always be ending. Second case singular always ending with Third singular in consonant ending word ending with a. Fourth a, fifth aha, sixth aha, seventh e. Now you will take any word ending with any consonant, right? Ending with any consonant. So here we studied about Schlesman. We are having Rogin, Gnanin. So I will actually send you the forms of these words, students, after the class in the group. Now next we have, this one is Nakaranta. Next we have Sakaranta. Chandramas. Remember this formula, student. This a, aha, e. Note it down in your book now. The second always ending, second singular always ending with Third ending with a. Same you will apply in future when I will show you the other consonant ending word. A, aha, e. Alright. If you will talk about the dual, then you must be aware, here it is O, right? Here it is O, that you will find in Rama table also, Ramo. So they are mostly the similar, right? Just like a Rama table. Pihi, Byaha, this one is like Muni table or Lata table, right? So previous table will help you to remember this consonant ending word, because almost the forms are similar, right? Here Nam is coming, here Su is coming. So it will be easy for you to identify that which case and which vachan number it is. Alright, here I am actually deleting this. Now let us see the next word, student. Here chandramas. The student, slesma. Slesma means cough, and then rogin is peasant, right? Sick person. Gnanin means knowledgeable person. Here we have chandramas. Now chandramas means moon, ending with sa. Let me show you the forms of chandramas, students. Remember the formula that ending sound I said will be as same that we saw before. So dear student, here we have chandramas, right? Chandrama, chandramaso, chandramasaha. See, use that formula that you wrote. Second singular yes. Third singular a, yes. Fourth singular a. Fifth aha, sixth aha, seventh e. True? So now you would have experienced that a, aha, e are the common sound in any consonant ending word. Whether it is masculine, feminine, neuter, don't worry. Alright? Maybe in neuter, the second would be different, but third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh will always be ending with this sound. Alright? That is for your knowledge. So that was chandramas that we have seen here. You can check. Just a second. Chandramaha, Chandramasau, Chandramasah, Chandramasam, Chandramasau, Chandramasah, Chandramasa, Chandramobhyam, Chandramobhihi, Chandramase, Chandramobhyam, Chandramobhyah, Chandramasah, Chandramobhyam, Chandramobhyah, Chandramasah, Chandramasoho, Chandramasam, Chandramasi, Chandramasoho, Chandramahasu and Chandramassu. Both. He Chandramaha, He Chandramaso, He Chandramasaha. So my dear students, all these noun forms table that you have to prepare, as many as you will prepare, more knowledgeable you will be, and you will be able to answer the questions more with full confidence, right? I know it is not easy to remember the table in quick session in few days, in 1 or 2 weeks, but this is just the beginning of your journey for learning Sanskrit language. So here it is for examination, that's okay, but you have this table with you and it is going to be useful to identify thousands and lakhs of words given in the shloka. It will be similar to these tables. 100% it will be similar to all these tables which are given here in the syllabus. Alright? So here, as much as you can remember, please remember and learn it. Here we have Takaranta Marut also. Marut means the wind. Then Dakarant Suhrud also. Jakarant Bhishaj also. Shakarant Kidrus and Etadrus. So here you people will get the table, the forms of all this in the material, study material, and you will have to read and speak it. Okay? And learn it for just improving your knowledge. It is quite obvious that all these words will obviously not be used in the shloka frequently. Obviously, some are used there in the shloka. Some consonant words are used there in the book Ashtanga in some shlokas. Some vowel ending words are used. But my advice, focus on masculine and feminine vowel ending words, which are the most important one. Which are most important, why? Because they are frequently used, and more words, more nouns are available in Sanskrit language which are ending with vowels more than consonants. So as more words are available, so more words will be used in the shloka. So they are more important, these words ending with vowels. Check this one. So my advice that if you are not able to learn all the table ending with different vowels consonant, at least you must learn this, right? Very important, right? For your exam, for your knowledge also. Okay, please learn. If you will learn any one other, you can easily remember, because the forms are always same, because ending with same vowels. All right. So here we discuss about Chandramas. We have Takarant Marut also. We have Suhrud, Visaj. All this table we have. Here you can clearly read in this file, students. We have Marut. Marut table we have. Yes, you can read Marut, Maruto, Marutaha, Marutam, Maruto, Marutaha, Maruta, Marutbyam, Marutbi. Right? Let me just zoom. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have one question to ask.
Tell me.
In the consonant ending fourth case singular,
Yeah.
yeah, just in case of Chandramas is Chandramase, and for example in Marut it's Marute. Isn't it similar to the Akarant ending seventh case singular?
Absolutely, it is similar, my dear. But while you read a Sanhita or a Shloka, at that time you must be aware about the root word. Suppose in Sanhita, in Shloka, they have written the word Marute. Now you must be aware that there is a root word Marut, which is consonant ending. And here it is the fourth case singular of Marute. And if they have given Vrukse, then you must be aware about the root word Vruksha. And that is the
So the
seventh
entire
singular.
meaning would change.
Yes.
So the entire meaning would change.
Yes, obviously. So I am talking. You said that both words are ending with a sound. Both are the noun forms. No, one is fourth singular, one is seventh singular. But at that time you must be aware that here the word is actually ending with consonant. Suppose there is a word like Atmane. So your teacher would teach you Atmane is not seventh singular. Atmane is the fourth singular of the root word Atman, ending with no, consonant no. So when I will teach you the shloka, in future I will teach you about Ashtang Hriday, chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 4 as per the syllabus. So at that time I will disjoin each and every word of the shloka. And at that time I will tell you the root word also. And I will tell you here it is ending with consonant, here root word is ending with E or U or A. And this is the sixth case, this is the fourth case, and this is the meaning. So while you read, you must be aware about the root word also of that word. Then only you can guess, you can be sure that which case it is. Clear? Now students, as I said, Marut, Suhrud, however I said that they are consonanting word, and I will send you the material. You can just go through and read and learn. Alright, formula I already have given you to learn this consonanting word. Now here 8.2 you read that Strilinga. Strilinga means female, feminine words. Feminine words, Shabdaroopani means the noun forms, right? Akaranta, ending with a sound. The root word is Bala, Kala, Sthira, Mala. All these words are ending with a, students. And very important one, not down. Very important, frequently used word, right? Lata. So let me show you here one table that is ending with a sound. Here you read, this table is actually Lata. What is this? Lata. Now here you see that it is ending with a sound, and it is female word, right? Female word. So let us speak. Lata, late, lataha. Latam, late, lataha. Lataya, latabhyam, latabhihi. Latayai, latabhyam, latabhyah. Latayaha, latabhyam, latabhyah. Latayaha, latayoho, latanam. Latayam, latayoho, latasu. He late, He lataha. Students, in this table, if you see, here lata byam byam byam, bihi byaha byaha, nam su, oho, yoho yoho. All these things are almost similar like the previous table, but some certain forms are different, right? So that you have to check and you have to remember. I repeat, more you will remember, more knowledge you have, more ability you will be having in Sanskrit language. So it depends on your memory. Understanding you can get from the classes by the teacher, but then the second thing is memory. More memory, more application. You know what is application? Just applying the knowledge while you read the shloka and Sanskrit language, Sanskrit material. So that is what understanding from the teacher, remembering by your sharp memory, good memory, then application of that memory while reading and understanding and studying the Sanskrit literature. Right? This is the way. So please, as much as you remember, you can you do it. Continue. Now, students, this one is actually a ending lata, right? So you have bala, kala, sthira, mala. You can make one table out of this like lata and have it with you, and you can make the forms of bala like lata, bala bale balaha, balam bale bala, same like lata, right? Next we have ikarant, samprapti, prakruti, mati. These three words ending with short e, and this is feminine, remember. The previous we studied muni was masculine. This is feminine ending with e sound. Samprapti, prakruti, mati. Now here it is ending with e sound. Let me show you the female words, feminine words ending with e sound. Check this table. Just a second. So my dear students, I'm sorry as it is not that much clear here. Mati table, matihi, mati, matayaha, matim, mati, matihi, matya, mati. Let me try to open this in any other format. Just a second. Let me try again to open. No, wait. Great. So it works. Now here we have the mati table, mati. Now you see here mati table is actually ending with short e. Matihi, mati, matayaha, matim, mati, matihi, matya, matibhyam, matibhi. This is short e ending feminine word. And the other form, if you see, it would be same like mati. Here in the syllabus you see these forms. Samprapti, prakruti will be similar like mati table. So if you will learn one and other, automatically will be kept in mind easily, right? So here also you can see byam byam byam, bihi byaha byaha, nam su, yoho yoho. All these are almost similar. Is there, and it is just like a lata table. I mean, some sounds are similar to lata table, but here chaturthi, panchami, shashti, saptami means the 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. This 4th case singular have two forms. Matye, mataye. The first matye, matyaha, matyaha, matyam. These are similar like long e ending nadi table, and this second optional. Mataye, matehe, matehe, matav. These forms are similar like muni table. So it's okay. You learn any one. Just like muni table forms you learn, that's okay. It will be correct, right? And like nadi table ending with long e ending, that we'll study in the next form, so that you will study there. So there are optional, you can study any, alright, but both forms are there in Sanskrit language for mati, ending with e sound. Now student, here we have another noun forms ending with long e. See here, e karant, long e ending, damani and nadi. So let me show you the forms of nadi, long e ending. Now here you can clearly read the forms of nadi, dear students. Nadi, river, feminine noun. Nadi, nadyo, nadyaha, nadim, nadyo, nadihi, nadya, nadibhyam, nadibihi, nadye, nadibhyam, nadibhya. Again one another table that you can prepare. And here in the syllabus, as I said, another word is dhamani. See, dhamani and nadi, right? Dhamani is arteries, right? Nadi is river. Both are ending with so long e. With same form will be same. Then we have rajju ending with u, dhenu, ukarant, long ukarant, varsha, bhu, vadhu, rukarant, matru, chakarant, vach. Here see the consonant ending word starts in feminine. So vach we have, takarant, yoshit we have, like this. Different noun forms we have with ending with consonant. Alright, so I will send you the material, all the forms you will find, at least one form out of these two, right? Remember, in the material which I will send you, you will find any one of these two, because the other would be same, no? So I will send only one table of each different vowel ending. For your reference and for your knowledge, you can prepare it. Next we have student 8.3, Napumsakalinga Shabdaroopani. Napumsakalinga neuter words. See the first one ending with a sound, pitta, vana. So they are having a different structure of noun forms. Alright, so let me show you, just a second. Here you read, what is the title, dear students? Here you can check as phala. Now phala. Phala means fruit, ending with a sound, and it is a neuter noun. Then here in the syllabus you have pitta and vana, ending with a sound only. So if you will learn any one, phala you will learn, it will be same. Pitta and vana forms will be similar. So let us pick this phala table. Phala means fruit. Phalam, phale, phalani. Phalam, phale, phalani. Have you observed one thing? Singular, first case and second case, both are always similar in neuter. I repeat, in neuter noun forms, first case and second case will always be same. Any neuter word you take in Sanskrit language, in the table, first and second case forms will be similar, right? So this table you see, and here you know one thing, first prathama and dvitiya, first and second case will be similar, and then from tritiya, chaturthi, panchami, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and tritiya, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh, these forms will be similar like Rama table. Rama ending with a, masculine. Yes, in neuter ending with a, phala, first second case similar, then 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 5 cases forms are same like masculine Rama table forms. Similar, you can check. And the Sambodhan is different. And let me tell you, dear students, Sambodhan means the vocative, the last one, is not that useful. Because you people are not going to see anything there in the Samhita. I am not telling it is useless. It is useful to call someone, to prepare dialogues in Sanskrit while you are calling someone. But as far as the Samhita concerned, I don't think much Sambodhan, calling, addressing someone words are used. Right? So don't worry if you forget the last Sambodhan somewhere. It's okay. But focus on Prathama to 7th case. You know the meaning also. Very important to understand words given in this sloka. So here we have Pitta, and we have seen this table, Rama table, Phala table. right? See, Phalena, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramehi, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramehi, similar like Rama, except the last one, Hephalam, Hephalam. So this one was ending with a in neuter. Now Ukaranta, Asru and Madhu, right? And Ikaranta, Aksi, Asthi, Vari, Dadi, and Rukaranta, Gnatru and Dhatru. Students, listen to me carefully here. Here Ukaranta, Ikaranta and Rukaranta. These three different vowel ending forms we have. Asru, Madhu, all this, right? Let me tell you something. The structure of E ending neuter, U ending neuter and Ru ending neuter, same. Almost similar. If you take a E ending word, short E ending neuter word, the table of E ending neuter word will be same as Ru ending and U ending neuter word. Only the previous word would be changed, right? Let me show you. Here, actually we have the first one is Ukarantam, Asru or Madhuro, Madhu. So let us take one of this. I'll show you the table. Here we have Asru. What we have? Asru table. Okay, just a second. Now, dear student, here you check Prathama, first case. Asru, Asruni, Asruni. What is the difference between this dual and plural? Here the second letter is short. Here second letter is long. Here third letter Ani is long and here Ani is short. So this structure is always same in all vowel ending word, but which is neuter, right? And these two are always same as I said first, second. Asru, Asruni, Asruni. Then third, these forms Asruna, Asrubhyam, Asrubhi, Asrune, Asrubhyam, Asrubhya, right? Just a second. Then we have the fourth case Asrune, Asrubhyam, Asrubhya. Panchami, Asrunaha, Asrubhyam, Asrubhya. Asrunaha, Asrunaha, Asrunam. Seventh, Asruni, Asrunaha, Asrusu. And the Sambodhan, He Asro, He Asru, He Asruni. Right? It should be He Asruni and He Asruni. Here there is a mistake. So, dear students, here the structure you saw of this word ending with U sound. Now look at this. Vari, ending with E and neuter. Vari, Varini, Varini, Vari, Varini. Here there is a mistake. This should be, Ani should be long. Vari, Varini, Varini, Vari, Varini. See, similarly, this first dual should be same as this. Right? Ani long. Vari, Varini, Varini, Vari, Varini, Varini. Then Varina, Varibhyam. See here, just check. Let us check the similarity of U ending and E ending. Ana, ne, naha, nahani. Look at this. Ana, ne, naha, nahani. Am I right? So same. Structure is same. See here. Bihi, byaha, byaha, nam, su. Here also. Bihi, byaha, byaha, nam, su. So I mean to say similarity is there. E ending, U ending, any is there, right? But neuter, alright? So let us study about the next ending with Ru in neuter. Gnatru, Dhatru, ending with Ru sound. Let me show you the table here. Okay, I think just a second, student, please wait a minute. No issue. We are actually not having this table with us, but not an issue. I'll just prepare in just few seconds. But students, remember this gnatru or dhatru ending with ru sound structure is same like e ending vari or u ending madhu neuter. Same. I'll type and will send you. You will read and you can easily check the similarity. Alright? Not an issue. Then here you read student nakaranta next. Consonanting Vardhman, Dandin, Sakarant, Srotras, Manas, Shakarant, cerebral Shakarant, Sarpish, Ayush, Takarant, Sakrut, Jagat. These forms are easy and same like the previous masculine and feminine consonant ending. Mostly are same. So when you will read, you can easily check the similarity. Now you must be wondering while you are watching this video that, oh my god, these many noun forms are there ending with different vowel, different consonant. How one can remember all these things? Then let me tell you. One table, if you will learn, then almost 20-30% knowledge you already got, that is going to be helpful to learn the next table, because similarity is there. You need to just check the differentiation where in the different vowel and different consonant ending table, and that you cannot get in 1 week or 2 weeks. It takes weeks, months, years. Yes, it takes 1 year, 2 years, 6 months. Some are very sharp, very intelligent. Maybe you can learn in 1 month. So do not worry, but use the utility of these forms, very important. Because when I will teach you the noun forms, the Ashtanga Hriday shlokas, I will explain the word by separating them in the shloka. Then I will tell you, see here this word is there, here this ending word is there, this case is there, this vachan is there, this is the meaning. And you would experience that how these noun forms are important. Alright. So dear students, please prepare as much as you can. And then here 8.4 Sarvanama Padani. Now what is Sarvanama? Sarvanama is actually pronouns. I, you, we, he, she, it. No? So Asmad, number one is Asmad, means I. Okay, the forms of I. Yes, we have the forms of Rama, noun. We have forms of Muni ending with E. Then we have forms of I also. One table of I, a table of you also, table of he also, table of she also, and table of it also. Yes, we have table, and that is useful. So they are the pronoun tables, right? Asmad, Yushmad. Asmad means, as I said, I. Yushmad means you. Tat means he, she, it. Etad means this, THIS, right? Yad. Yad is actually the indicator word. We are using sometime which, who, what, not as a interrogative word, but to indicate something. Oh, I met that man who went to Australia. Who went to Australia? So here who is not interrogative word. Here who is the indicator, right? Oh, this is the book which I saw in library. This is the same book. This is the same book which I saw in the library. So which, here it is not an interrogative word. Which is indicator. So for that there is a word yat. This yat sarvanama. Kim is actually for creating interrogative word, question words, right? Idam is also for THIS, this. Now students, remember Asmad and Yusmad. Asmad means the forms of I, and Yusmad the forms of you. They are pronoun, and these all words are having 3 different gender table. Asmad cannot have 3 gender, no? I is I for male, female, neuter. For you, Yushmat, same one table. But for Tat, he, she, it, three tables we have. For Kim, we have three tables. For this, we have three tables, male, female, neuter table different. Right? So let me show you here first the table of Asmat. First of all, we'll check Asmat table. So dear student, check this, the table of I, right? Asmat, very important to create the sentence also, students. Meaning is same as I said. Subject, you want to say I am going to school, you must write subject aham here. If you want to say something, someone is talking to me, object, you have to write this mam. Okay, let us have the pronunciation. Aham avam vayam, mam avam asman, maya avabhyam asmabhihi, mahyam avabhyam asmabhyam, mat avabhyam asmat, mama avayoho अस्माकम, मयि आवयोहो अस्मासु. And there is no sambodhan. Remember, there is no sambodhan in asmad or yusmad or any pronoun. Okay. Now we have yusmad table also, as we have the forms of I. You have the forms of you also, right? Then we have the forms of tat also here. See, you check this tat. Tat means he, she, it, the forms of he, she, it. Let me show you. See, this is the table of he, saha, tau, te. Okay, let me zoom. As I said, only 7 cases. Sambodhan is not there in pronoun. Saha, tau, te, tam, tau, tan, te, na, tabhyam, te, hi. Alright. So then we have for she also. See, this one is for she. Okay, sa te taha, tam te taha. So students, here I am just showing you, presenting you these things, that we are having the tables, and in future, one, if you want, if you study or not, you will open this material for sure. You will need this thing. I am not again repeating the same thing, that forcing you to remember, but certain things you have to study, you have to learn for multiple use, in multiple grammar topics. Noun forms are useful to understand slokas words, given in the slokas words, to create the sentence, to understand samas. Yes, these noun forms are very useful. So for learning different grammar topics, you need these noun forms. So I last just advise to you students that learn at least a ending, e ending, u ending, ru ending masculine. I repeat, a, e, u, ru ending masculine. Then feminine, a ending, e ending. Feminine, only two. A, e. Neuter, o ending. Phalam. They are must. Every student, Ayurveda, Sanskrit student must know this. I repeat, masculine, o, e, u, ru ending. Feminine, a, e. Short e or long e, both are almost similar. And neuter, o ending. Sure. Then consonant ending, one table you will remember. Other forms are similar to this. So be smart, learn one, and other forms you can easily identify. If you have a good knowledge of one table of consonant ending, male, female, neuter, any. And in neuter also, I told you to learn one, no, o ending. Go with one more, e ending also, because u, ru consonant are similar. Alright, same almost. So please prepare accordingly from the material that I will send you maybe today or tomorrow, and it is going to be useful for exam purpose and it is very useful to understand the Samhitas, Shlokas in depth, right? So here we have understood about the table, about the particular topic, this topic, and it is all about like learning, remembering, keeping in mind, learning by heart table. It is not something, the concept that I need to explain, right? Like Sandhi concept. It is not a concept. It is just a table. But that's why I have given you some pronunciation of some forms. I have shown you the tables, the similarity, what is more important, which are more same. That things I have given you the lecture on this. So prepare it and watch this lecture again to understand the structure of these noun forms. Alright, and prepare it well from the material. So here I conclude this class. Thank you so much for being. Next class we'll understand about the verb forms. I repeat, Dhatu Rupani, paper number 1, topic number 9. Right, that we will understand, and then we will start learning the Ashtanga Hriday chapter number 1 from paper 2. Right, thank you so much for being. See you on Saturday, coming Saturday at 7:30. Take care of yourself, dear students. Thank you.